So a product manager showed you a recorded demo and it worked flawlessly. Of course it does. Everything works in a recorded demo or in PowerPoint. But if you have to do downgrade or flashback yourself, there is a bug you should be aware of. If you try to restart the database in the old Oracle home and you run into an error like this, that there is an unknown parameter, _unified PGA pool size. There's a very simple workaround. You just connect to the instance and you create a P file from the SP file. You remove the offending parameter and then start up on that P file until you can create a new SP file without that new parameter. Because what happens is that the parameter _unified something is unknown to the previous release. It's a new parameter that gets written into the SP file when the database is running on the higher release. But we have a rule that new parameters should not be written to the SP file unless the compatible parameter has been raised, which wasn't the case in our demo or in your case, because if you raise compatible, you cannot do a downgrade. So simply that __ parameters shouldn't be in there. It's clearly a bug. We have filed the bug, but unfortunately, it's still pending for a release update inclusion. So be aware of this potential issue. And if you run into it, either get a one-off or you can use that workaround.